I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long, 'cause it's been forever.
Good morning guys. Hey guys, and a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl mphobandainfo here. I'm so excited for today because we're starting a new vlog, and I'm sorry I didn't do this intro in my previous vlog, but yeah man, today is a weekly vlog, you know, the regular. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you enjoy the content. And also guys, you can make use of the super thanks sticker if you feel that you appreciate my content. You know, you can use it. I think it starts from around 14 rands or whatever. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, if you're new here, welcome. My name is mphobandainfo. I do content based on education, lifestyle and wellness. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for returning. I appreciate you guys. And you know what, without wasting any of your time, let's get right into this video. Sizothini abantu baba busy ne hayi bo namhlanje ushilo ukuthi you wanna be happy, 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 you should be, from this point to this point. There's your scenario. Directions must be written in a chronological order. When you count numbers, do you start counting from 100 and then go to 1? No, you start from 1 and then go to 100. Alphabet from A to Z. So when you run to your point, you start from the beginning, the middle, and the end.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain.
Guys, I love Wednesdays so much with everything in me. Guys, these baby hairs. Hey, guys, it's been such a long day today. Like, it's been a very hectic day. I'm so tired, but I'm glad that my makeup is still standing, honey. Still giving. But anyways, I am gonna go home right now and I'll catch up with you guys later. How was your day? Did you have fun? Was it a busy day? What have you learned from your day today? Today I learned that kids need so much love from us as teachers, like they do, and they love us so much. I know sometimes they can stress us, but they really do love us. So that is what I learned today. Like, yo guys, they gave me so much love. It was so beautiful to witness. But yeah, man, it was a long and exhausting day. Tomorrow I have a meeting, so I really need to prepare for that. But yeah, catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so I just got home from a very busy and hectic day from work, and when I got home I received this. You guys obviously know what this is. So yeah guys, this is another collaboration with another hair company. They've sent me some hair and I'm super excited to try the hair out. You guys can even see with, you know, these hair companies, some of them are really amazing. Like, look at the hair that I'm wearing right now. I've been wearing this hair for like almost 2 weeks now, and everybody has been telling me how beautiful and how gorgeous I look. It's like there's this glow on my face because of this hair. So guys, please make sure that you do go and check out the video that I did. It was a collaboration with Curls hair. Look at my face, look at my hair, guys. It's all giving, you know, it's because of this hair. But anyways, thank you so much for your support, you guys. I don't think I would have been here working with hair companies if it wasn't for you and your support. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to try out this hair. I can't wait to see what's inside. I didn't know that there were people who could see my work, who could see what I'm doing, who believed in me. You know, sometimes you do things and you just feel like nobody sees you, nobody likes you, you just, you know, it's just not working. But then God is there and the people are watching. So if you're out there and you're trying something, you're starting from scratch, you're not getting the numbers, you're not getting the views, it's not working out, you're feeling demotivated, do not give up. I'm at a point in my life where I'm just like, the numbers will come and I'm just not focusing on that anymore. The numbers will come, I'm just going to continue doing what I'm supposed to do and I'm going to focus on that. And I am excited. So far this year, I have had 4 collaborations. So the first collaboration was with Liveboard. It was a collaboration for, you know, tutors. I was happy to do that. Second partnership was with International Certification. For those who want a TESOL certificate, please do go and check them out. And the third company was Curls Hair. And this is the last company, not for the year, no, let me just say this is the 4th company. So I'm happy, guys. Like, I am so happy. I couldn't be, like, God shows up when he wants to not when he wants to, but God shows up all the time, honestly, and I'm happy about that. So it's been a long day. I need to cook. Oh, guys, I hate cooking, but I'm just gonna make some steak, pap chakalaka, and I'm not sure if I want to make like mashed potatoes, but maybe I'll do. It's I think it's 2:45 right now, and we have load shedding at 6. So I think I'm gonna start cooking at 3:30. But yeah, man, God is good, God is faithful, and I'm happy, like genuinely happy. Thank you guys for watching my content, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Leave a comment in, you know, any of the sponsored content. I know you guys find it difficult to engage with sponsored content, but it would mean so much to me. And if you guys comment, you're going to help with the algorithm, and YouTube is going to promote my channel, and we're going to have a lot of subscribers, we're going to have a lot of views, and we're going to have a lot of great things on the channel. So please make sure that you engage with my content. Leave a comment, a sweet little comment. It doesn't have to be that deep. Like, just like the content as well, and share my content with as many people as you can. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, man, guys, thank you for coming to my TED talk. No, I'm blabbing way too much.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late. Your time is up. Damn,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another day in my life, another day part of this vlog. So I am going to the salon right now. I am just looking like a mess, but I'm gonna go get my hair washed, and then I'm gonna get my car washed, and then I'm gonna do my nails. Obviously I no longer do my nails. I just get like a nail treatment because I am going through the most. But yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do right now. It's so hot. It's 3:15. I was supposed to go to the salon a bit earlier, but I was busy with some chores. So yeah, let's go to the salon, guys. Talk to you when I get there. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt now. Please don't judge me. Sunday, baby.
Size combos are fit for a king and really big. Get our full size 100% pure beef everyday items just at a better price. So if you're really hungry, we have king size combos perfect for you or you and friends, even you and the whole family. Save up to 70 Rand and get more food, more taste, and more value. Try the new king size combos only at Burger King.
Hi family, please join us for the Spirit of Praise Volume 9 live recording on the 27th of May 2023, happening at Sun Veterina
it's a pity. I need to stop playing the music because of copyright. But yo guys, it's a beautiful Sunday. I'm listening to beautiful music and I just feel great. Oh, indicating hi guys. Anyways, let me stop recording. Bye. Like, this car wash is so busy, guys. It's hectic. This is the car wash.
take me universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Guys, so I'm back from the salon. I'm in the car wash. My car is clean and I'm going home.
know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything. I didn't know